Hello, today I'm going to show you how to import QuickBooks customers into pools of clients. You go to QuickBooks menu, here is an Import Clients button, an Info button to show about the screen. You go inside. If you haven't logged in recently, it will ask you to log into QuickBooks with your credentials. So here we can see all active QuickBooks customers, which are not imported into the PoolSoft system yet. On the right side, we can see the checkboxes. To import actually controls which customers we want to import now. To be able to import a customer and to be converted into a PoolSoft client, we need email, name and phone number. If you don't have those, you need to go back to QuickBooks and populate them, then return to the PoolSoft dev and refresh the screen. You can see errors. For example, we have that customer without email and phone number, and you won't be even able to click the checkbox because you have missing fields. Also, you can see some different errors like these two customers. They have the same email, which is not possible in our system as the email is the username for those clients. So the second checkbox is Welcome Email. Checking on the checkbox means that once we create this client, he will receive an email explaining from where to download the applications, what is the company code, what are his credentials, to log in, etc. You don't have to send this welcome email at the beginning, you can send it later. It's important that this is only one-time function, so if you don't send it now, then you have to go to the client's detail screen, and from there is a button to send welcome email, and once you send a welcome email, we cannot do that anymore. So if the third checkbox is at pool and once it's clicked, it means that once we create a client, we will create a pool for that client on this address. To be able to click on that checkbox, we need at least one address. If the customer has shipping address and billing address, then the shipping address is used. So let me create these two. Diego Rodriguez will have a pool. I click on import, yes. Now we go back, we go to our clients, and now Diego Rodriguez is here, and he has a pool, and also when we are here in the details, we can see this QuickBook linked stamp, which indicates that this pool of client is already connected to a QuickBook customer, and also you can see that sent welcome email here, which we can use to send for him. And now if we go back to QuickBooks, open Import Clients, you can see that Diego is not here anymore because he is already imported, and this is how you can detect that you have a new customers in QuickBooks, which are missing in PoolSoft. So for example, you add manually to customers in QuickBooks, which are not added in PoolSoft. When you open here, you will see only those two customers, which you can add. If you manually add the same customer in QuickBooks and also in the PoolSoft, then you don't have to import it from here. Instead, you have to use Sync Clients functionality, but I will demonstrate you this in another video. Thanks.